Right, good day and welcome to learning exercise 5.3.1. In unit 3, we're interpreting parabola and exponential graph drawn together, advanced. So there, I have f of x equal x squared minus 2x minus 3, and g of x equal minus half x minus 2. There the two graphs are plotted, so there I have my parabola, there's my asymptote, and there's my exponential graph drawn. Right, question 1. Determine the coordinates of P and C. So you should see there's P, there's C. They are referred to as x-intercepts because they're on the x-axis. So x-intercept y equal to 0. I have x squared minus 2x minus 3 given to me. Factorize x minus 3, x plus 1. Minus 3x plus 1x gives me negative 2x. So x equal 3 or x equal minus 1. Should take note, P is on the negative side, C is on the positive side, therefore P is minus 1 and 0, and C is 3 and 0. Determine the coordinates of A. So we look here, A is a y-intercept, so to find the y-intercept, we make x equal to 0, y equals then 0 squared minus 2 times 0 minus 3, which gives me y equal to minus 3, so A is 0 and minus 3. And because A belongs to both the parabola and the exponential graph, I can also use the exponential equation. Half to the power 0 gives me minus 1 minus 2, which equals minus 3. Right? If we go over, look, now this page you want to flip over. Right? They can ask us to write down the equation of the asymptote of g of x. So g of x has an asymptote, and that's y equal to q. So you see that q value is minus 2. So here, simply y equal negative 2. Then they say write down the equation of h of x, the reflection of g of x in the y-axis. So in the y-axis, the x value tends to become negative x. So h of x equal g negative x. So there you should take note, my positive x now has become negative x. 2, half can be expressed as 2 to the negative 1. We multiply, negative x times negative 1 become positive x. So the new graph is minus 2 to the power x minus 2. Write down the new equation of h of x. If it's move 4 units left and 3 units up, so it's moved 4 units left, so it was inserted as plus 4, and 3 units up, so thereby q plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is 1. There's my new equation. Write an equation of the axis of symmetry for f of x. So there, f of x equal that, axis of symmetry, x equal minus p over 2a for parabola. My p value, as you can see there, generally given to you as a negative, so be very careful. We have to minus p must be inserted as negative times negative 2, and my a value there is 1. So you should take note here. Minus minus 2, don't go put it just as minus 2, that's where you'll tend to make an error. Divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, x equal to 1. So that's just some general questions that we like to ask when an exponential graph is drawn with a parabola. All the best, continue practicing, never give up. Success is just around the corner. Let's blossom. God bless.